Alright, so we're going to try this red fuel jump pack on this vehicle. So this is a Chevy Cavalier that we haven't started in a while, and we think the battery's dead on it. Nothing. So we got nothing on this one. So I'm going to connect the jump pack here. I got the jump pack right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and connect this and see if we can get this vehicle started. Alright, so the jump pack's connected now. I've got the red and the ground connected, and now we're going to try to start the vehicle and see what happens. No.